Circulation in coactivity. When an aircraft arrives at its stand, various workers and equipment must intervene inside the aircraft safety area, often within a short space of time.
Oh, what's this mess? I'm late.
Hey, you're in the way. Come on, can't you park properly?
Watch out, you're cutting me off.
Congestion, precipitation, and improvisation are the causes of serious incidents. In 2005 in Seattle, an MD-83 is prepared. The flight is late and the stand is congested. As it is moving away, the tractor hits the fuselage. The agent does not notice any damage and leaves without reporting the incident. At an altitude of 8,000 meters, while the plane is climbing, the sound of an explosion is heard in the cabin. The pressure drops suddenly, causing the release of the oxygen masks. A quick descent is then initiated by the crew. On the ground, after landing, a hole of 30 by 15 centimeters in diameter is found in the fuselage. The outcome could have been much more dramatic. To avoid this kind of risky situation, simply follow 3 rules. Respect the parking areas and the aircraft safety area. Always follow the direction of traffic to be able to observe the aircraft as closely as possible. Respect the procedures and organization of each intervention. In case of a problem, contact the team concerned or the flight coordinator if necessary. Lay the ground for a safe flight.